Susan just wanted to lose a bit of belly fat before Bali. What she got was a renal catastrophe powered by spinach, kale, and a NutriBullet. This is her story. Welcome back to the Vegan Repair Kit. Somewhere along the line, we were told blending leaves into a cup of swamp water was health, but spinach, raw, blended, and chugged daily, is loaded with oxalates. And oxalates love kidneys the way termites love wooden houses. The result? Stones, pain, emergency room selfies, all for a bit of chlorophyll and Instagram validation. Poor Susan. Day 7 of her cleanse, and she hasn't pooed since Monday. Her skin's breaking out. Her hair's thinning. Her pee, neon. At this point, the only thing being cleansed is her will to live. The antidote to oxalate overload? Plenty of water, moderate salt. And, shock horror, zero spinach. Animal foods contain no oxalates, and they bring potassium, taurine, retinol, and heme iron, none of which will destroy your kidneys for clout. Susan swapped smoothies for steak. She's still not in Bali, but her kidneys stopped screaming. People say, everything in moderation. But if you're blending raw spinach daily and calling it detox, that's not moderation. That's culinary self-sabotage. Save your kidneys. Eat the steak. Don't end up like Susan. Subscribe for more Vegan Repair Kit, share your smoothie horror stories below, and if you need rescuing, I'm here at compositionconsultant.com. Next time, fruit, nature's candy, or metabolic mischief. You decide.
In a world where strength defines legends, unleash your inner legend. Join the carnivore muscle movement today.